freedom.
We want
Freedom.
terrorists,
India, India.
terrorists, terrorists, terrorists,
India terrorists.
terrorists, terrorists,
India terrorists. Butcher.
Butcher, voting, butcher.
Modi is a terrorist.
Who is the terrorist?
Modi,
Who is the terrorist?
Modi.
Who is the terrorist?
Modi.
Who is the terrorist?
Modi.
Who is the butcher?
Modi is the butcher.
Who is the butcher? Who is the butcher? Who is the terrorist? Who is the terrorist? Who is the butcher?
Terrorists, terrorists,
RSS terrorists.
terrorists, terrorists,
RSS terrorists.
terrorists, terrorists,
RSS terrorists.
terrorists, terrorists.
RSS terrorists. We demand the United Nations that declare it the first organization in the world, the RSS, which has been involved now and going to raise the slogan for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Go India, go! India quiet, Kashmir. India quiet. Go back. India, go back.
We want
Very badly. They kill children, even innocent children, young generations, old people and old women. We have hundreds and thousands over martyrdom, and all of the Kashmiri people are equal, are united against the Indian occupation. Today, 27th of October, the day Indian forces entered into the Kashmir Valley with power, with worse brutality, with inhumanity, and they killed many people. I can say that in that forces, they were the black and tan, like they were the criminals on the tails of the Indians, and they put them into the Kashmir Valley, and they killed hundreds, thousands of people of state of Jammu and Kashmir. People of Jammu and Kashmir did not want Indian present there. So that's why we are Kashmiri fighting against the illegal occupation, and we want removal of Indian forces and India from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Today, all over the world, people of Kashmir united, and they convey the message to the India, to the United Nations, that we will not accept any oppression and any action which is taken without our will.
We want freedom! We want freedom! India is a terrorist!
27th of October, when the Indian forces entered illegally into the Kashmir, and they killed hundreds of thousands of people of Jammu and Kashmir illegally, oppressively. That's why we are here to solidarity with the people of Kashmir. All people of Jammu and Kashmir are looking to removal of India. India is forcefully occupied illegally which is condemnable. United Nations resolution says, and United Nations resolutions protect us that no country.
और फलस्तीन के अंदर जो जुल्म होता है, ये तमाम जो आलमी बिरादरी है, जो इस्लाम के जितने भी आलमी ठेकेदार बने हुए हैं, ये जब इनको मकबूजा कश्मीर में ये कहा जाए कि वहाँ पर इंसानी हकूक की खिलाफवर्जी हो रही है, लेकिन वो ये कहते हैं कि ये तो इस्लाम का इशू ही नहीं है, ये मुस्लिम उम्मा का इशू नहीं है। कि उसकी वजह क्या है? उसकी वजह यह है कि इंडिया एक बहुत बड़ी मंडी है। जो मकबूजा कश्मीर में जो जुल्म
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं इस मौके पर आप तमाम लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं और यूनाइटेड नेशन से ये कह रहे हैं कि आए अपने वादों को अमली जामा पहनाए और कश्मीर से भारत को निकाल बैठेंगे, जिस भारत ने 1947 को गासबाना कब्जा किया। और के अंदर आए और देखेंगे इंडिया ने किस बर्बरियत के साथ हमारी माओ बहनों बेटियों और बुजुर्गों को कत्ल किया है, उनका कत्लेआम किया है। जिस तरह से इंडिया ने मौके पर यूनाइटेड नेशन से ये मुतालबा करता हूं, आए कश्मीर के अंदर अपने वादे को अमली जहां पे